Are you surprised by the number of Cybertruck-Deer collisions that have happened thus far? Do you think the Cybertruck stainless steel exterior confuses animals? We have already seen 3 instances where Cybertruck hit the deer. It's easy to imagine how a Cybertruck driving might be confusing to a deer. It's still important to note that 3 incidents are not enough to condemn the Cybertruck as a threat to the deer population. All the Cybertruck owners who have thus far reported a run-in with a deer have the exposed stainless steel exterior, meaning none of them put a wrap over their truck. As per study, several species of deer tend to freeze and become momentarily unresponsive when they see something they don't understand. Because of the shiny reflective surfaces on the Cybertruck, the deer's freezing adaptation appears to be causing even more harm. In all the 3 cases, despite going straight into the deer at high speeds, Cybertruck damages were very minimal.